Instagram quiet mode turn off. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can actually turn off quiet mode on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you have enabled quiet mode on Instagram and then you would like to disable it, it's very simple. Launch the Instagram application over here and then just tap your profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. Once you do that, make sure to tap on the three lines option from the top right, and then over here you can see many options where you might not find the quiet mode option because Instagram changes the layout so frequently. So what you need to do is tap the search bar at the very top, which is the easiest way over here. When you tap the search bar at the top, in the search box you can simply type in something similar to quiet mode, and then you'll find the quiet mode search result, which you can then use to simply turn the toggle off. It could be turned on. If you're trying to turn it off, just turn off the toggle like this and then just tap on the turn off quiet mode option. This way you should be able to turn off quiet mode on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.